Okay, current listing. Now, current listing page is the same for all listing user accounts. Okay, so since it's created for the agent broker account, it's just copy paste to the other accounts. Now, I need to make certain it's working correctly because it was before, but I can't guarantee everything. So this should say select all, okay, not address. Now, it has address here, but it should be select all up here. And then address. So this address button is fine, but, well, the button is not fine. But address should be highlighted. Above here, it should say select all, so this should be moved down. I've already given you information on what's supposed to happen. So this search feature should work. It needs to be tested. And the search features are based upon right here. It tells you search can be address, town, type, price, category, contact, date listed, which you have over here. You have your subtype as well, but you're not looking up under subtype, organizing it, or doing your search by the subtype, just by these fields. You can click your social media link, get a copy of that, or open up the individual page, which is your page index, which everything is identified by that page index. Now, how page indexes are identified? For the agent broker account, it's identified by their full name, and there's a certain format where, yeah, it's avasado.com/the agent's full name. So they can Google search the agent's name or Google search the town and city. And this way, it comes up in the Google search underneath the person's name and underneath the town, or the person's name or the town, and the city and town. So it can be either or it can be both. Okay, but page indexing is important because we want to be able to have those pages searched, and when you have a lot of pop-ups going on, you do click this, and this will take you to that true page that should be indexed. Now, here is the link you can choose for sharing. Now, you also have share. Sorry, share is to share to your social media. Okay, so in whatever that social media is, you can click on that and then want to share it to that social media account. And then the click is that this one is the specific index page, which it'll take you to that. It'll open up a new page and then take you to that, and you can copy that URL if you wanted to, or have people just go to that. Now that's the same URL for page indexing that we'll use later on for boost marketing. I'll explain how that works. So we just need to make certain. I mean, it was working before, but I just want to measure twice, make certain it's totally working. The searches for these different fields, but I know that the share was not working, and I know the page indexing is not set up. Okay, and then obviously the edit, and then you toggle to residential, and then hit residential. These top sections change, and then this tells you what you can search, and it gives you information here. Expired listings, same thing. Oh, let's go back to these buttons. Okay, so refresh. So if a listing is about to expire, you can click on individual, one or a few, or click the top button that says all if you needed to, and press refresh. All that will do is refresh the start date. It will not touch the end date because the end date has not appeared. Once the end date has been met, it will automatically go into the expired listing section. Okay? The only difference is corporate account for sale by homeowner account does not have closed. So this button is removed for the corporate account and the for sale by homeowner account. All the others exist. So in the same thing, you click on one, some, or all, and then you click expired, and they'll all go to the expired page, or they'll go to the delete. And when they're deleted permanently from the website. So please understand, refresh only has to do with the start date, not the end date. Now let's go to reactivate in the listing. So reactivate literally will reactivate that listing or those listings for the same range of time. So if the listing was active for a period of 2 weeks, 1 month, 7 months, whatever the time frame is, it's reactivated for that same range of time. Okay? But day 1 will be today's date that you reactivated it. So it's, so they don't have to change any of the dates. They can go in and edit the individual listings to change the end date if they so choose. But reactivate pretty much says, okay, this listing was once active for 3 months. Now we're going to reactivate it starting today out to 3 months. Close does not exist for corporate or for sale, so they only have reactivate and delete. The agent has closed. Closed will send all listings that closed means I closed the deal. I sold or rented the property. So you can select the properties that you want to click closed, and that will go to your private website under closed. You can read this. This is also in the diagram folder of what needs to be done or made certain that's working. So now you have current listing, expired listing, what they should look like for the agent user is just like this. Get rid of closed for corporate and for sale by homeowner.